Today, I'm going to show you how to fine-tune the Nanonets invoices model for your own data. You start by going to app.nanonets.com and selecting invoices. This is our ready-to-use invoices model. It works out of the box for most invoices. I've just added a new invoice and it's going to be able to extract the data from this invoice. It's pretty fast. What we're going to do now is see how we can improve this on your specific data. Let's say it got one of the fields incorrect, or if you want to make some change or add an extra field. So we're going to start by saying, click train your model, and we're going to add some of our own data to this. I've added about 23 different files. You can see here that about 15 labels have been added to this model already. What we have to do now is we have to draw boxes uh, around the area that represent each of these labels. So we're going to start by figuring out the buyer's address. So let's say this is the buyer's address. It's asking us to label each of these files with at least 10 different examples. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw these boxes for each of the different labels. And you want to finish labeling all of the fields in this file and then move on to the next one. And we're going to do a similar thing here where let's say this is the seller's address. We're going to mark that and we're going to mark this as the seller's name. Now you can see that it keeps track of how many labels we've marked. What you want to do here is you want to label each of these files and mark each of the different labels. It's going to be able to learn from this. You could add more fields if you want, and you can add things in different languages or different formats and different settings, and it's going to learn from that. You can also ask us to do this annotation process for you by signing up for a 7-day free trial. During this trial, we'll annotate your data and we'll build out the model, and it's entirely free. Only post the 7 days, you'll be charged $499 a month to use this model. Best of luck.